Elena is the duck.
Okay, and who else? Who else is playing?
Waldo and these all are all imaginative friends.
Okay.
All of them.
Okay.
Duck, 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 goose. Oh, you know how to play this game already? Duck, duck,
You went right past Roto.
goose. I gotcha. Stop! Stop. Now, I'm gonna make someone else. Duck, duck, goose. That's Roto and he's chasing me.
How many times are you gonna go around? You have to sit where Roto was.
Rhoda was sitting there.
Yeah.
You have to sit where you are.
Do you know how to play this game? That was
I'm
funny.
not a duck.